Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, class. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are fine. Okay, beta. Today is CW Monday, 14th December 2020. Today, our topic is activity, and we will do review exercise from the book. We will do page number 108 and 109. Okay, beta. Look at here. This is a circle and containing the table of 3 randomly. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27. Okay, beta, now look at here. Table of 2 randomly. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. Okay, class. Now look at here. This is a table of 10. 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 twos are 100. Okay, here is a table of 5 in circle form. 5 1 are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40. Okay, class. Now open your countdown book and open the page number 108. Okay, class. Okay. Firstly, write down CW and short date 14/12/2020. Question number 1 is multiply and fill in the missing numbers. Okay, beta. Look at here. 2 ones are 2. Already done. Now read the table. 4. 2 fours are 8. We have done. In activity, 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Okay, look at here. Question number B is, yes, 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are, you can count on fingers or you can read the table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27. Okay, now look at the question number C. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40. Now look at here question number D. 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. Look at here. When you complete all the wheels, have you noticed, class? You created multiplication. Yes, we have created multiplication of 2s, 3s, 5s and 10 wheels. For 2s, 3s and 5 and 10 tables in the outside row. Yes, we have created in the outside row tables. Okay, class. Now open the page number 109. Look at here. Question number 2 is tick the odd number, circle the even numbers. Firstly, you have to know what are even number. If the number is ending on 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, or we can read the table of 2, the number will be even. The number will be even. Tick, or other numbers are odd, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 0 to 4, 6, 8, even numbers. Okay, circle the odd number. 15. 15 exists in it? No. We will take its odd. We will take 23 odd. 42. 2. Yes, it's ending on 2. We circle it. 19. It's odd because 9 non-exist. 58. It's ending on 8. Yes, circle. 96. Circle because 6 is even number. 69 odd. 14. 4. Even. We will circle. 33 odd. 41 odd. 50 ending on 0. Its mean is even. 12 even number. Last number is 2. That's why. Question number 3. Write in the box. Question number A is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. It means here are 4 3's. Number is 3. 4 3's are 12. Okay. Question number B is 5 4's are. It means 4 time and number is 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 4 5's are 20. Okay. Question number C is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are? 6. Number is 2. 6 2's are 12. Question number D is 5 10's are. How many? Which number is 10 and how many times? 5. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 5 10's are 50. Okay. Now, look at it. Question number 4 is join the sum to the correct answer one has done for you. 7 2's are. Read the table of 2. 2 1's are 2, 2 2's are 4, 2 3's are 6, 2 4's are 8, 2 5's are 10, 2 6's are 12, 2 7's are 14. In the same way, 3 8's are 24. 5 4's are 20. 6 10's are 60. Okay. 4 3's are 12. 3 5's are 15. 9 3's are or 3's 9's are 27. 9 10's are or 10 9's are 90. Okay class. This is your CW. Solve the page number 108 and 109 in CW and write down table of 7 in HW and send me. Hurry up. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.